Today we are sharing some embossed rolling pin tips. The first tip is to purchase a rolling pin with deep etchings. Not all rolling pins have deep enough etching to really make a good design into your dough. So if you're out shopping, look for ones that have a deep engraved design, and that's going to give you a better result. The second tip is to start off with a really good recipe. We have a really good one that we use on our blog, and a helpful tip is to only use all-purpose flour. Avoid any flour that has a rising agent because when your cookies are baking, they're going to puff up and then your design won't be there anymore. So if you do try a recipe out, let us know if it works for you. If you're finding that your dough is too sticky, then just add a little bit of flour at a time so that your dough doesn't get crumbly. You're looking for a dough that's slightly soft yet firm enough to hold the design. Next, chill your dough for at least 20 to 30 minutes before baking, and then roll your dough slowly and steadily with a slight downward motion. And also chilling the cookies before baking is going to help keep that design as well. The best way to clean your embossed rolling pins is with a hard bristle brush. Gently go over it, removing the flour and dough. And remember never to get your embossed rolling pins wet. Because there's so many designs out there, embossed rolling pins can be used for many different things. You can make them for cookies, salt jar ornaments, Play-Doh, and more. We hope you found this helpful, and if you have any tips, please leave them in the comments below. Have fun baking!